just arrived in club level at the yacht club. Cheers.
Cheers.
What's going on, adventurers? We are heading into our club level room at the yacht club. Let's go. We have room 5152. Here we go. Wow. So they recently remodeled the yacht club. That's our champagne right there. Recently remodeled. And it looks really nice. It's very modern. Here's the refrigerator. Love this. It looks like you're on a ship, and I love that it's clear. You can see right through that refrigerator door and know exactly what's in there before having to dig through. So the bathroom door now is a pocket door of sorts. It doesn't actually go into the wall, but it slides against the wall, which is very nice. That's a great feature. Here are the closets, and it even has a light. Let's get the other door open here real quick. Ooh, robes and slippers. Now you're talking. Don't be surprised if you see me walking around the Food and Wine Festival in my robe and slippers. Just kidding. All right, check out the foldable ironing board. That's awesome. And of course, there's your safe. I'll see you later, robes. So we're headed now into the beautifully appointed restroom. Look at all this good stuff. This is new. Copper tone. They have nice H2O spa products as well. And we have a walk-in shower. So we're gonna walk on in there and show you. Some more H2O spa products, beautiful. And we got the rain shower going on here. Nice marble. That is very nice. Some extra towels. And of course there's the potty. There's a nice view for you of the bathroom area. And there's your hairdryer. And this particular room is the 2-queen bed configuration. And of course, there is a hidden Mickey towel on the bed welcoming you. The Divine big screen TV. And do you know what I really love about these newer remodeled rooms is the USB plugs. We use so many outlets, you guys. It's not even funny with the cameras and cell phones. We are always charging something, but that helps infinitely. And here's the one bed over here. I absolutely love this painting of the boat with the little hidden Mickey next to the 71. Okay, so I just noticed this, you guys. This is awesome. I've never seen anything like this before at a Disney resort. This is new. And there's actually a little reading light. And what you have to do is push up on it and pop it open. And it comes on. How cool is that? That way you don't disturb anyone next to you. And you can read in bed. Very cool. So then we have a nightstand. Of course, your phone is there as well. Other bed. I forgot to show you guys all the awesome drawers here. There's a plethora of drawers and storage space. Oh, there's some extra pillows in there too. In this middle cabinet that pulls open. There's some drawer space. There's some drawer space. There's some drawer space. And some more drawer space. This is a pull-out sofa, so this is another bed, which is great. And here is another fantastic piece of art. I just love the nautical art. That is very cool, especially here at the yacht club. You expect to see that, but man, I love these pictures. Here's a nice lamp with a little table there. Here's a nice little desk with a nautical style mirror. Looks like a porthole. Here's a desk, and these are nice too. I just want to point this out as well, that these little tables slide out from underneath of the desk. They have wheels, and you can actually slide it over next to the bed or next to the sofa if you order room service, or if you just want to pull out your laptop and you don't feel like sitting at the desk, you could certainly put it there. And if you really wanted to, you hadn't heard it from me, if you have a big enough balcony, you could slide it right out there on your balcony if you want to work outside. So we're going to slide right out here on the balcony right quick. Here's this seating. It's one of the chairs. And there is the other. We got a little table out here too. This is our view, you guys. We are right above the beautifully adorned gazebo. A slight view of Crescent Lake. All right, so we are headed into the lounge right now. There is no shortage of sweet deliciousness here at Disney's Yacht Club and Concierge. They are all ready for Halloween. Here is that wonderful Nespresso machine and your little pods there. Oh wow, you guys. They have hidden Mickey sugar lumps right here. That's crazy. This is the first time I've ever seen these. One lump or two? These are just nuggets. These are the business right here. The hidden Mickey lumps of sugar. There's some fresh fruit. And these are the regular coffees, if you're not feeling as adventurous as Nescafe. Some flavored syrups for your enjoyment. Some vegetable crudité. Those are very nice teas. Those are double chocolate chip muffins. And these are chocolate danishes. Here are some dark chocolate cranberries, mountain mix, raspberry yogurt pretzels, cheddar whale crackers, and gummy bears. Here's some pita bread. Over here we have some salted chips, Old Bay spice chips, chocolate chip cookies, sugar cookies, oatmeal cookies. Here are some glasses and some Natura sparkling water, along with a bucket of ice. Some simple syrup that is right up my alley, especially since I'm not using straws these days. That way it just dissolves into your drink. If you haven't given it a try, you should definitely ask for simple syrup next time you order an iced tea. This is the Natura filtered water. There's the iced tea, the lemonade, and Stormalong Bay breeze. This is a nice quiet little nook back here in the club level of the Regatta Club. We're just chilling, having a few snacks before we head out to the Epcot Food and Wine Festival. Yes. Some vegetables with dip, carrots, crudité, if you will. Maybe there be rough waters ahead. Look at the clouds.
Exactly, yeah. At the end of the day, it's
Welcome to the Yachtsman Steakhouse at Disney's Yacht Club Resort. Here's the open kitchen area. Very cool. This is my favorite part of the Yachtsman. Beautiful. This is the view from the Yachtsman. You can look out and see Stormalong Bay as you dine. This is the menu. Soups and salads on the left and appetizers on the right. Under Butcher's Cuts you can find the steaks that they offer. So below the steaks on the right side are the entrees. Below that are the steakhouse sides and premium steakhouse sides. On this side, we have the Yachtsman Seafood Plateau for 2, the Wagyu beef, signature steak, which is the 32-ounce porterhouse for 2. And then the featured wines is below that. And the enhancements below the featured wines.
Our glutini to start again. We have our fresh brewed iced tea with simple syrup. Jen loves simple syrup. And for our bread, sourdough bread. This is a garlic, actually real garlic spread, and a Hawaiian sea salted butter spread.
Let me pop one out for you, watch.
Yeah, let's see how that works with the garlic. It's something new, yeah.
You can actually squeeze it.
Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Ah.
And it pops out and you can just spread it on like butter.
I see. Yeah, okay, it does spread, you're right. Perfect. Good? Yep. Appetizer list tonight is a cheese platter. And this is the actual description. Every restaurant is different, so we'll see how this one goes.
So this is the shrimp cocktail on ice with a wedge of lemon and some cocktail sauce. Looks delicious, you guys.
Very good.
How's your, what is that one?
This is actually called, never heard of it, pairing with pan forte. This is it's called Latour sheep, a soft sheep cheese. Very good, very mild.
Interesting.
I like it.
How's your glotini? How's the glotini?
Glotini is soft, of course, good.
But of course.
This is fun. It's called a sea hive, like it has honey.
Oh, really? Interesting. Is it good?
Okay. Scottish style cheese with honeycomb.
Interesting. Some more exotic cheese here.
Cow milk, goat. With chutney, golden raisin chutney. Another Lordstrom.
What's going on? It's cocktail.
Yeah. Get the memo.
Here is the filet mignon. with the sweet potato casserole. It's really good, guys. I'm gonna cut into that. All right, so there it is, the one pink center. That is definitely medium. Looks perfect.
And this is the ribeye and truffle fries. I actually requested a baked potato, which they're bringing. They didn't get the memo, but this is usually what it comes with. Bon appetit. This ribeye is perfect. It's the most tender ribeye actually I've had. Cuts like butter.
All right, so we have come to the most delectable part of the meal, the dessert menu. So Lisa decided to go with her classic dessert choice, the creme brulee. And I'm going to try something new. I'm going to go with the Lexington Sundae. It has salted caramel and buttered popcorn gelato, crumbled brown butter cookies, caramel, whipped cream, toasted honey marshmallow. Wow. So I'm probably only going to be able to eat just a little bit of it, but that sounded too amazing to pass up. So we will see you in just a couple minutes when our desserts arrive to the table. So this is the Lexington Sundae. Right here we have toasted marshmallow. Looks awesome. This is actually chocolate with potato chip fragments inside of it. Here are little pearls, Rice Crisp pearls. And there's some ice cream. Pretty sure the flavors were buttered popcorn, which sounds awesome. Yes, buttered popcorn and salted caramel gelato with crumbled butter cookies in the bottom. So we're about to try that.
Classic creme brulee vanilla. Looks like it's made to perfection. Okay, we're gonna get a bite out of this delicioso dessert. What is that? Marshmallow?
Yeah. Oh, that's like right off the campfire marshmallow. Wow. Oh my gosh. I think this is the buttered popcorn. Let me see what this one is.
We also have like a devil's face, a Guns N' Roses.
I don't know, my senses are confused right now.
There's so much. Looks delicious.
Unless it's a mixture of salted caramel and buttered popcorn, I'm not sure. Lisa's going crazy here. She just wants to take a bite of it. But I'm trying to figure out which one's which. Oh, that one's the buttered popcorn. It tastes exactly like movie popcorn.
Wow.
It's really crazy. All right, what are you doing here?
I'm trying this supposed butter popcorn flavor ice cream. Oh my gosh, it does! I have never had anything like that.
You want a little salt on there, or?
Right? And it's so smooth and creamy.
Fantastic, right? Highly recommended. The Lexington Sundae, if you're visiting the Yachtsman anytime soon. That's salted caramel.
Oh.